Hello everyone. This video here is over the second part of the graphing of parabola Desmos activity. So this part's a little harder to see in the parabola, so I want to go over how this part of the quadratic formula, which is called the discriminant, affects your parabola. So this part is the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And remember from our discussion of the quadratic formula that a, b, and c all come from this function here, where a is the number in front of x squared, which in this case would be 1, because there is no number there. The b is -2, the number with the x, and the c is the constant, which is -24, this number at the end here. So I'm going to put these numbers into this part of the formula. So b is -2. Make sure you use parentheses or the calculator will mess it up. So I have -2 in parentheses. Squared, make sure the squared is outside the parentheses. And then minus 4 times our a is 1 because there's no number here. And our c is this number here, which is -24. Make sure to make a negative because of the minus sign. And all of that is over 2 times our a again is 1. I'm going to use Desmos to plug this in. Go to the calculator. Type in -2 squared minus 4 times 1 times -24. And all of that is over 2 times 1. You'll see here the value is 5. So going back to this, now finding the 5 in the graph. Now if we look here at 5, we have this output here, which is -8. But that doesn't really tell us, or -9, excuse me. It doesn't really tell us anything important about the graph. Here's what this does tell us about the graph. Remember the x value of the vertex is at 1 here. The 5 is actually the distance from here to the root here. So we count here from this point here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a distance both directions from the vertex to the roots, here and here. So 5 is the distance from the x value of the vertex to the x values of the roots. Now this parabola here uses almost the same numbers, but the signs are all switched. When we switch the signs, it flips the parabola upside down. If you have a negative in front of the x squared, you'll see the front face parabola. I'll let you guys work through the last page. If you have any questions, let me know.